Alright, what's going on, guys? So here is my video for chapters 4 and 5. So I'm in presentation mode right now for the first example of chapter 4. So if I go out of presentation mode, you can see all of this. So this is going to create a chord based on the scale of your choice. You can set the scale pressing a key on your MIDI keyboard, and then if I go back to the presentation mode, each one of these buttons will create a chord in the scale, and this button will stop the chord from playing. So if I set it to C major scale, and then I can play each individual chord. So that is chapter 4, part 1. Now, if I go ahead and open up chapter 4's part 2, this one wasn't really working for me. I couldn't figure out exactly why. It doesn't seem to be when I play a key, it just does that, and it might be because this one's still open. Let me close this, and then bring this back up. The first note is like really low. I don't know why it's not working the way it should be. If I set the note, it's playing part of it, but these two aren't getting set. I'm not exactly sure what went wrong here. And then the last part would be chapter 5's. And for chapter 5, it kind of walked you through how to do some things in presentation mode, and it would create a kind of like a memory game or something that you would have to guess what the interval is. So if we go over to presentation mode, we press create interval here, and now we can replay it harmonically or melodically, and we guess what that is. So I'm not very good at this, but we can see how the red light lights up for incorrect. And when you get to the correct one, which I am not getting, the green light should light up. So let's go until we find that. And there it goes. So that was this week's assignments. Thanks, guys.